BASF is a Germany-based company that is a global leader in the production and sale of chemical products. The company's history dates back to the mid-19th century, and since then, it has played a pioneering role in the global chemical industry. BASF was founded on April 6, 1865, in Mannheim, Germany. At that time, the company was known as Badische Aniline und Sodafabrik. Its initial production activities included the production of aniline dyes and sodium carbonate. However, the company's founder, Friedrich Engelhorn, soon started working on new chemical products and processes. BASF made significant progress in the production of phenol and formaldehyde in 1877 and became a leader in the production of these products. Additionally, in the 1890s, the company pioneered the production of a range of new products such as synthetic resins, rubber, and plastics. These new products experienced a surge in demand with the rapid development of the Industrial Revolution. By the early 20th century, BASF had become one of the leading companies in the German chemical industry. During World War I, the company's production focused on military materials, and after the war, BASF made a significant contribution to the reconstruction of the post-war German economy. During World War II, BASF supported Nazi Germany's war efforts and went through a challenging period during that time. However, after the war, the company quickly recovered and regained its position as a global leader. Today, BASF operates in over 200 countries worldwide and employs approximately 118,000 people. The company's product portfolio includes chemicals, plastics, polyurethanes, agricultural products, and electronic materials. Additionally, BASF is a pioneer in sustainability and innovation and has received numerous awards in these areas. BASF continues to maintain its leadership position in production and innovation as one of the leading companies in the global chemical industry. The company constantly works on developing new products and processes and provides its customers with high-quality and innovative products. Furthermore, the company's sustainability efforts focus on efficient resource utilization, reducing carbon emissions, and controlling toxic substances. BASF also engages in close collaborations with its academic and industrial partners to support innovation. The company constantly seeks new technologies and business models to provide innovative solutions to its customers worldwide and meet the future needs of the industry. For all this and more, before starting the video, if you're interested in universal economic history, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos I upload every day. Enjoy the watch.
Universal economic history.
BASF places great importance on innovation and research and development (R&D) activities. The company allocates approximately 2% of its annual revenue to research and development, which translates into billions of dollars of investment each year. BASF focuses on innovation and R&D to offer better products and services to its customers. The company concentrates on developing sustainable solutions, increasing energy efficiency, and transitioning to renewable energy sources, among other areas. With over 11,000 employees dedicated to research and development worldwide, BASF continues its efforts in these areas. The company adopts a customer-centric approach to understand their needs and meet their expectations. This approach enables BASF to develop solutions that satisfy its customers' requirements and achieve sustainability goals. BASF places significant emphasis on sustainability and environmental protection. The company focuses on sustainable production and product development goals. In this regard, it concentrates on using environmentally friendly production technologies and developing innovative products to reduce carbon emissions, increase energy efficiency, and use natural resources more efficiently. BASF aims to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions by using environmentally friendly production technologies and processes. For example, the company reduces energy consumption by transitioning to renewable energy sources. Additionally, BASF focuses on recycling waste and byproducts to utilize natural resources more efficiently. BASF also conducts extensive research to develop eco-friendly products. The company strives to create products that contribute to sustainability and have positive environmental impacts. Examples include biodegradable plastics, bio-based polymers derived from renewable sources, and biologically soluble products. During the pandemic, BASF responded proactively to the challenges posed by the global health crisis. The company prioritized the health and safety of its employees and implemented stringent measures to ensure business continuity. BASF adapted its operations to the changing market conditions and increased demand for certain products, such as disinfectants and protective materials. The company collaborated with healthcare institutions and government agencies to support the production and supply of critical products needed to combat the pandemic. Through its agility and resilience, BASF successfully navigated the challenges posed by the pandemic. The company's diversified product portfolio and global presence allowed it to adapt to shifting market demands and maintain its position as a leading player in the chemical industry. BASF has a wide range of products that are used in various industries. The company produces chemical products that find applications in automotive, agriculture, construction, home and personal care, plastics, electronics, paper and pulp, food, pharmaceutical, and textile industries. The automotive industry is a significant application area for BASF products. The company is a manufacturer of many chemical products used in the automotive industry. It provides various products such as vehicle coatings, coating materials, brake systems, catalytic converters, fuel additives, and plastic components for automobile manufacturers. The agriculture industry is another important application area for BASF. The company offers a range of chemical products that farmers can use to enhance agricultural productivity. These include herbicides, fungicides, insecticides, seed coatings, and plant growth regulators. The construction industry provides another significant area of application for BASF products. The company offers a variety of chemical solutions for constructing durable and sustainable buildings. These products include concrete additives, insulation materials, adhesives, and sealing compounds. The home and personal care industry is another important area of application for BASF products. The company is a manufacturer of deodorants, hair care products, skincare products, and cleaning materials, among others. The plastics industry is a major area where BASF products are utilized. The company is involved in the production of high-performance plastics, polyurethanes, polyamides, polycarbonates, and thermoplastic elastomers, among other plastic products. The electronics industry is another significant application area for BASF products. The company is a manufacturer of various chemical products used in the production of electronics. These products include semiconductors, photolithography materials, and specialty polymers used in electronic devices. The paper and pulp industry is an important area for BASF products. The company is a manufacturer of many chemical products used in the paper and pulp industry. These products include cellulose adhesives, coloration additives, surfactants, and environmentally friendly paper coating materials. The food industry utilizes BASF products as well. The company is a producer of many food additives and flavorings used in the food industry. These include food preservatives, emulsifiers, sweeteners, and flavorings. The pharmaceutical industry is another important application area for BASF. The company is a manufacturer of various chemical products used in the pharmaceutical industry. These products include intermediate chemicals, solvents, emulsifiers, and microtablets. BASF is a company that places great emphasis on innovation and research and development, R&D. The company invests a significant amount of resources into R&D activities every year. BASF focuses on innovation and R&D to provide better products and services to its customers. The company aims to develop sustainable solutions, increase energy efficiency, and transition to renewable energy sources, among other focuses. BASF employs over 11,000 employees dedicated to research and development worldwide. The company adopts a customer-centric approach to understand their needs and expectations. This approach allows BASF to customize its products according to its customers' requirements. Additionally, BASF continuously updates and improves its product portfolio. BASF places great importance on sustainability and environmental protection. The company focuses on sustainable production technologies and innovative product development to reduce carbon emissions, increase energy efficiency, and promote efficient use of natural resources. BASF aims to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions by employing environmentally friendly production technologies and processes. For example, the company's transition to renewable energy sources contributes to reduced energy consumption. Furthermore, BASF focuses on recycling waste and byproducts to promote the efficient use of natural resources. BASF also invests significant efforts in developing eco-friendly products. The company strives to create products that contribute to sustainability and have positive environmental impacts. Examples include biodegradable plastics, bio-based polymers derived from renewable sources, and biologically soluble products. BASF is one of the leading companies competing in the global chemical market. Through innovation, sustainability, and a customer-centric approach, the company has strengthened its position in the industry. BASF's strategy is based on developing innovative products to meet customer needs, supporting sustainability through environmentally friendly production technologies, and expanding its global presence. The company works closely with customers to understand their needs and tailors its products accordingly. Additionally, BASF continuously updates and expands its product portfolio. BASF aims to strengthen its future growth potential through innovation. The company focuses on areas such as sustainable products, digital technologies, and data analytics to drive innovation, meet customer demands, and shape the future of the industry. Moreover, BASF invests in collaboration with top universities and research institutes worldwide to develop and explore new technologies. In conclusion, BASF aims to enhance its future growth potential through innovation and strategic partnerships. Sustainability, digital transformation, and innovation are key focus areas for the company. BASF is committed to remaining a leader in the global chemical industry by anticipating market needs and providing innovative solutions. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If there's a specific video you'd like me to make on economic history, don't forget to mention it in the comments section. I wish everyone a pleasant day.
Universal economic history.